Hello and welcome to this eWay-CRM tutorial video. Today we will show you the integration between eWay-CRM and Mailchimp. eWay-CRM can be easily connected to Mailchimp for email campaigns. Thanks to this integration, your contacts are automatically synchronized to Mailchimp, either all of them or only the ones you choose. Contacts are saved into the marketing list you selected in Mailchimp, and both default and custom fields can be synchronized. Let's take a look at how it works. This is the list of contacts in eWay-CRM. When you have an active connection with Mailchimp, you will see a new field called Mailchimp List. This field contains all marketing lists that you have available in Mailchimp. Because of that, I can immediately see which contacts are synchronized with Mailchimp and which are not. You can configure eWay-CRM to automatically synchronize all contacts or only the selected ones. Everything is managed by the value of the Mailchimp List field. I have the manual mode enabled here, so I control which contact will be saved to Mailchimp. Look, I fill in the Mailchimp List field here for Mr. Brad and click outside the field. That's all it takes. When we switch to Mailchimp, we can see that the contact is already available. All important data was transferred automatically. A list like this can be used directly in a campaign, whether a one-time campaign or an automated one. If a contact unsubscribes in Mailchimp, this information is automatically synced back to eWay-CRM. I can also select multiple contacts at once and assign the value to them. The system will ask me whether I want to apply it to the rest of the selected records. I confirm and wait a moment for the contacts to be transferred. And here they are. Perfect. If I want to remove a contact, I simply clear the value. And the contact will be removed from Mailchimp. And it's gone. If you prefer automatic synchronization of contacts, open the Administration Center, find the Mailchimp List field, and set the selected list as the default. When you now open a new contact in eWay-CRM, you will see that the value is filled in automatically. After saving, the contact will appear in Mailchimp. Here it is. For advanced users, we also support a third mode, where contacts are saved to Mailchimp based on a selected workflow condition. Our consultants can assist you with that. Feel free to contact us. This is how easily you can integrate eWay-CRM with Mailchimp to always keep your marketing contacts up to date. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.